Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable the keyboard shortcuts in the Concepts application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your right corner and there you will find three dots. Press on it and here you can just click on the settings and you can see at the top of your screen that we are currently in the workspace section, and right next to it you can see the interaction. You can just press on it and here you will be able to find the keyboard shortcuts, and you can just edit the shortcuts here if you press on it, and you can see basically what the shortcuts are if you use a laptop basically or a computer. Now you can also disable them, so you can see basically the enable keyboard shortcuts option. You can just simply press on it and now it's going to be disabled. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.